Hello, Martin Baker here. I'm over in a very sunny Worthing and really excited to show you around one of our J studios with the kite doors here at Worthing today. So this building is 4.7 wide and 3.1 deep. Bit of a collaboration here with the client, which is what we call our silver service on this one. So the client has actually installed a concrete base themselves, done their own internals, which is really exciting. I'll show you them in a moment, and also done the painting and the finishing and some of the communications as well. The building itself has got our J windows in there, but upgraded to the Kite French doors. It's a bit of a combination of our J and Kite put together, something that we offer. Because of the concrete base and because it's been used as a gym, as you can see in there, we actually had the facility, allowability, should I say, to increase the heights. We added around 60 millimeters to this to keep it under 2.5, but the concrete base, because of its low level, just changed that, and that gave a little bit more internal height. All the things you should know from one of our pre-designed buildings: anthracite on the outside, cement balls to the rear and one side, MTX to the front, 10-year guarantee, the rubber roof, so all of that set up for zero maintenance. And look inside, I really love this rear wall. So it's been done by one of the client's friends, and I really like that feeling there of the slatted pine. Works and kind of contrasts lovely with the anthracite. I've got to say, it just pops out really nice. They actually painted the back wall in anthracite before fitting them on, so a great job there done. And I really like these features that we're now getting involved in and seeing clients do themselves. TV on the wall, internet provided by the client themselves, and they've done their own heating as well, and then a really lovely space for the gym. So this is under 2.5, so it's not masses of height in here, but it's definitely enough to be using it as a gym. And with those big doors and the integration that you then get, I just think it's absolutely lovely. And that lovely feature with the doors open on a day like today really does draw your eye into that. So there you go. So it's a 3.7 by 3.1 kind of kite to J combination, which is what we call it, a J studio, but with the kite door upgrade in Worthing here. If this is of interest to you, please do let me know. We're now working with a gym company to provide all of the equipment as well. So if you're looking to get a gym designed internally as well as the space itself, it's something we can now help you with. And I hope that's of interest. So please like, subscribe, share what we do with your friends and family, and let us know in the comments below what you think of this, particularly that feature wall.